Hey guys, it's always a good time to get your kids, whether they're young or maybe even teenagers, involved in cleaning. Number one, it makes it easier on you. But number two, it's a great opportunity to teach them about how we want to Norwex our homes. So getting rid of those maybe traditional household cleaners that can contain harmful chemicals and showing them how incredibly easy it is to clean with just water and microfiber. So the power of water and the power of Norwex microfiber. This month we have a couple products that are perfect for this, starting with our very own Hedgehog dusting mitt. So this is a great way for kids to engage and not even know that they're cleaning, having fun with it, but also teaching them that, hey, all you need is water to make your Hedgehog work to do the dusting. Underneath here is, of course, our dusting mitt fabric. I have a really big hand. In fact, I could palm a basketball back in 6th grade. So that made me very popular with the boys because I could do that feat. Got a lot of attention for that. So anyway, my big gigantic hand fits in here. So I could actually use this to dust as well. But great for that, and great for, it's just a cute kind of plush, almost toy that makes dusting fun for the kids. In addition to that, because you don't want them just to stop at dusting, there are plenty of other activities, cleaning activities for them around the house. We have our very own kid-sized EnviroCloth. So just to give you an idea of the size difference between our regular and kid size, there you go. See that, right? So I actually love this size, a little bit smaller size, just for my kind of everyday grab and go types of spills. So it's a great size for adults to use as well. It's in this kind of gray graphite color with this really pretty trim that just happens to match your Hedgehog colors too, continuing to make it fun. Has silver, of course, our Backlock silver antibacterial agent embedded in the cloth to help it self-purify within 24 hours. And of course, picking up just about everything, whether they're helping in the bathroom, they're helping in the living room, helping in the kitchen. This is a great cloth for that. And then you cannot have an EnviroCloth without a window cloth. And this one is super cute. It also has Hedgehog all over it, and some leaves too. So, and Backlock, our silver agent is embedded in it. So great for doing the windows, letting them do the windows in the, around the house where the dog at their level, maybe if the dog snout marks all over the slider there. Or of course doing mirrors and just polishing surfaces too. So you've got 3 great tools that will help your youngest Norwexers get engaged in cleaning without chemicals, having fun while they're doing it, and actually doing a super good job of getting their own spaces really, really clean. Last but not least, we also have our foaming hand soap. This is our unscented version. So for those of you that don't like a scent in your products that you may be using on your body, or have sensitivities to scent and fragrance, this is a great option. We use plant-based surfactants in here, which can be more gentle on the skin. And in addition to that, highly effective at cleaning your hands, but we also add moisturizing ingredients like allantoin, panthenol. We also have aloe vera in here, and also glycerin. And so those ingredients, after you've washed, just help to keep that skin barrier intact and keep the moisturization in your hands so that they don't get too dry, because I know we're washing our hands a lot. So another great product for this month.